starting at Valvoline DOT3 and 4 synthetic brake fluid. This brake fluid is an excellent choice for drivers seeking dependable braking performance without unnecessary complexity. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to mix seamlessly with conventional brake fluids, making maintenance and fluid replacement more convenient while reducing compatibility concerns. The low moisture formula is particularly impressive, as it helps minimize water absorption over time, maintaining a higher boiling point and providing outstanding protection against vapor lock during demanding driving conditions. This results in a firmer, more consistent brake pedal feel, especially when braking repeatedly or under high temperatures. It is also well suited for both hydraulic and disc brake systems, offering broad compatibility across many vehicles. Whether you're commuting daily, towing, or enjoying spirited weekend drives, this brake fluid delivers reliable stopping power and long-lasting system protection. Its combination of stability, moisture resistance, and dependable performance makes it a practical upgrade for anyone looking to keep their braking system operating safely and efficiently. Now our second product is Motul DOT 5.1 synthetic brake fluid. Motul DOT 5.1 brake fluid is a premium choice for drivers who demand consistent, high-performance braking from modern hydraulic systems. Its advanced synthetic, non-silicone formulation delivers exceptional thermal stability, helping prevent vapor lock and brake fade during aggressive driving, towing, or repeated hard braking. The high boiling point ensures reliable stopping power even under extreme temperatures, while the low viscosity formula enhances hydraulic response in vehicles equipped with ABS, ESP, and other electronic stability systems. This results in quicker brake engagement and smoother system operation, especially in cold weather and emergency braking situations. Another major advantage is its compatibility with DOT3 and DOT4 systems, making it a versatile upgrade for a wide range of passenger cars, motorcycles, and light trucks. Advanced anti-corrosion and moisture-resistant additives protect critical components such as calipers, master cylinders, seals, and ABS modules, extending system life. Overall, Motul DOT 5.1 combines durability, responsiveness, and long-term protection, making it an excellent investment for both daily drivers and performance enthusiasts. Our third product is TRIXX brake fluid DOT3 and 4. This high-performance synthetic brake fluid is an outstanding option for drivers seeking reliable braking under both everyday and extreme conditions. Designed to be compatible with nearly all DOT3 and DOT4 brake systems, it works seamlessly with modern ABS and electronic brake control technologies, making it suitable for most vehicles on the road. Its high boiling point effectively reduces the risk of brake fade and vapor lock, ensuring a firm, responsive brake pedal even during repeated hard stops or demanding driving. The advanced formulation also provides excellent corrosion resistance, protecting critical components such as calipers, master cylinders, and brake lines from wear and moisture-related damage. For performance enthusiasts, its race-ready capabilities make it an excellent choice for track days and high thermal load applications, where braking consistency is essential. Meeting SAE J1703, J1704, and exceeding FMVSS DOT3 and DOT4 standards, this brake fluid delivers dependable stopping power, long-lasting protection, and confidence whether you're commuting, towing, or pushing your vehicle to its limits.
At number 4, we have the Keyfits High-Temp Ceramic Brake Caliper Grease. This premium synthetic lubricant is designed to maximize brake system performance while protecting critical components from wear, corrosion, and excessive heat. Unlike conventional greases that can melt or lose effectiveness under extreme temperatures, this advanced ceramic-based formula is engineered to withstand temperatures of up to 3,000 Gleichdeferns, making it an excellent choice for high-performance vehicles, heavy-duty trucks, off-road applications, and daily drivers alike. One of its biggest advantages is its exceptional ability to reduce friction between moving brake components. Proper lubrication helps ensure smooth caliper movement, resulting in more even brake pad wear and improved braking consistency, while eliminating annoying brake squeal and chatter. The synthetic ceramic formula creates a long-lasting protective barrier against moisture, road salt, dirt, and rust. This significantly reduces the risk of seized caliper pins. Its thick purple consistency stays exactly where it's applied, allowing for clean and precise installation. Suitable for professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts, Keyfit's grease delivers reliable long-term lubrication and superior protection under any driving condition. It is an essential addition to every brake service kit.
At number 5, we have the Permatex 24125 Ceramic Extreme Brake Parts Lubricant. This is one of the most trusted synthetic brake lubricants available today, developed with a 100% synthetic ceramic formula. It provides outstanding lubrication while maintaining excellent performance under both extremely high and low temperatures, from 40 to 3000 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike traditional lubricants, this ceramic formula withstands intense heat without breaking down, lubricating caliper hardware, pistons, and guide pins. Its most valuable feature is eliminating brake squeal and vibration, ensuring smooth operation and promoting even brake pad wear. It also offers superior resistance to water, road salt, and corrosion, and is safe for rubber and plastic components. For professional-grade reliability and quieter, longer-lasting brakes, Permatex Ceramic Extreme is the trusted choice of technicians and enthusiasts alike.